To export your designs as STL files, select the flow paths that you want to export and click on the Generate button. Here you can enter the resolution that you want to generate your STL file. It's recommended that when you're designing components, you start at a higher resolution, and when you're happy with the final design, to move down to your lowest resolution. Generate your design. Add any smoothing that you wish to add to the design. Check the decimate button if you want to reduce the overall file size of your mesh. And when you're happy, click to mesh to generate the STL file. This mesh can now be found in the imported models folder, which is located in the same folder as your design file. Meshes can also be created and booleaned with your final STL model. To do this, we'll add this mesh component as an STL file. Click on the Designer tab and click the Solid button. This will ensure this mesh geometry stays a solid material when it's generated. As before, we can click the Generate button to open the Generate panel and click Generate to create a preview of the STL mesh. As you can see, this creates a Boolean cutout of the flow paths from the imported model. If you're happy with the preview, click the To Mesh button.